Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you're enjoying the sunshine out there today as we look out over Lake Michigan. This is the Muskegon Pier. We're looking out to the north and west. Blue sky, sunshine as far as the eye can see. Certainly a welcome sight. Unfortunately, with high pressure overhead giving us the sunshine, there's a negative aspect to that as well. It is a freeze warning yet again in effect overnight. Temperatures are expected to drop at or below freezing, probably around 30 degrees, which is where we were last night. So cover up those plants, bring them in if you can do that to at least help save those. Rain arrives tomorrow night and continues into Thursday and early Friday. Looks like a pretty wet and soggy period there, maybe even some thunderstorms. And then we continue over the next several days with either 60 or 70 degree temperatures, and our first 80 degree temperature will be possible next week. So all of this whole freezing thing and frost situation and snow showers that we have seen on radar over the last week or so here, I think that's all going to go away. It looks like we are finally turning the corner to a much warmer pattern over the next several days. Live Doppler radar, we've got blue sky and sunshine, so there's nothing out there. 55 degrees right now in Grand Rapids, 57 in Ionia, 57 in Kalamazoo, Battle Creek and Coldwater. We have a very dry air mass in place. We have low dew point temperatures. That's a measure of moisture in the air, and that's one thing about a dry air mass. It warms up very quickly, but as soon as the sun sets, it also cools off very quickly, and I would expect to do that. Clouds and radar movement over the last 6 hours, you see there's nothing over us. A few fair weather cumulus clouds have popped up, but off to the north and west, or what we call upstream, because our weather generally moves west to east, there's not much going on. There is a system that's going to get its organizational act together and get in here for us Wednesday night. We might start to see some showers trickling in here, more of a wetter pattern as we go through the day on Thursday. Could be some decent rainfall. An inch or two of rain will certainly be possible. But tonight, freeze warning out for the entire area, unless you're along the Michigan-Indiana state line. Berrien, Cass, St. Joe, Branch counties there. You've got a frost advisory. You'll probably get down to about 32, 33, 34 degrees. But freezing temperatures or temperatures below freezing are likely elsewhere. So clear, cold, frosty. We'll have a northwest to turning east wind. That will be light. And a light wind might not sound like a big deal, but it is. When we have light winds or they go calm, all that heat that we've gathered from the day gets radiated out into space. If we could at least keep a wind going, it would mix up the atmosphere, would allow that cold, heavy, dense air to settle on in. But with a lighter wind, it allows that to happen. High pressure right on over the state. This is at 9 p.m. and that stays in control. Light winds, clear skies, dry air mass, all of that equates or equals to a overnight low temperature that's going to be down around 30 degrees. We'll start tomorrow with a lot of sunshine, but as we head through the afternoon, the mid and high level clouds begin to thicken up. We'll be dry through the daytime hours, but here comes the next weather system. Watch what happens as we go after midnight tomorrow night. We start to see some rain develop, and then you can see this cluster, some showers and some thunderstorms there as we get into Thursday morning. We're likely to see some thunderstorms. We're not at a risk for severe weather, but don't be surprised if you hear the rumble of thunder and some heavy rain. That warm front moves through the area. It's going to be mild on Thursday despite the rain. We'll be in the mid to upper 60s. This whole system and that cold front will sweep through here Friday morning and sweep all of this out of here. And then I think we'll go back to some sunshine on Friday with highs by that time up around 70 degrees as we've been advertising for the last several days. We're about 63 degrees tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, but the chance of some rain showers and some thunderstorms Wednesday after midnight. And then Thursday looks like an off and on wet day. Showers likely off and on all day. A few thunderstorms, breezy, 67 degrees there. That goes into early Friday morning, and then we'll clear Friday afternoon. 71 degrees there. The first part of Saturday looks dry, but some PM and nighttime rain and storms will be possible there. 70 on Saturday, 68 with more rain showers on Sunday. And then look at this, low to mid 70s. By the time we get into the beginning of next week, by the middle of next week, we could be looking at our first 80 degree temperature. I said that yesterday. We're going to keep reiterating that because I think it's something to look forward to for a lot of us that are looking for that warmth to finally get here, guys. More weather in the 4:30 half hour.